bet you're ready to find out who won the giveaway. But first, I gotta clean this place up. Okay, that's a little bit better. So, let's get down to business. Giveaway. So, thank you all for 500 subscribers. And so I had a giveaway, and now it's time to reveal the winner. So, let's go to my computer at work to see who won the drawing. That's right, Justin Uphold from Upwoodworks. Congrats. You won the hybrid sphere, the lavender hybrid sphere, made with resin, of course, and maple burl, walnut base. Congratulations, Justin. Good job. Justin's a really cool guy, actually. He and I have kind of grown together on Instagram. We're both about the same followers. He's just finished up a 1,000 follower giveaway, and I'm actually about to start a 1,000 follower giveaway on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, you should. I'm about to have a big giveaway on there. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for 500 subscribers, and we'll do it again in another 500. When I hit 1,000, we'll do a humongous giveaway, and then 2,000, and then I don't know, you know, whatever intervals I feel like. But hey, just tell your friends and subscribe, and thanks.